the union.
Man, I don't know what's wrong with these niggas, man. There's something wrong with these boys nowadays, homie. Man, these niggas living fairy tale. I don't know what's wrong with these fake, funny acting ass niggas. What they hating for? I don't really know. Your guess is good as mine. Now it's overgrind. Putting in some overtime. Why you niggas acting funny? Cause you niggas living bummy. You better get your money. Most of you niggas is fake gangsters in the game. Your ass is that lame? Why you speak my name? You really must be that lame. You don't want me to win? You wanna see me doing bad. Now I gotta kick this cash. When I kick you in the street, boy, I'ma kick your ass. Now what they do? They run and tell the people. Now what they do? And run and tell the people. Now what they do? Run and hide on a nigga. Talk tough, but ain't gon' do shit. Now what they do? Act like they hard, but really bitches. Now what they do? They run and tell the people. Now what they do? They run and tell the people. Now what they do? They run and hide on a nigga. Talk tough, but they ain't gon' do shit. Now what they do? They act hard, but really bitches. Now what they do? They run and tell the people. Now what they do? They run and tell the people. You little boys funny. You niggas must be hungry. So hi hater, I mean bye hater. I see you later. You hate now and you hate later. Your name must be now later. Go do me a favor. Go play with somebody before I catch your body. What you tryna stop me? You niggas must be carbon copies. Blood, I'm the real thing. Just ask your bitch, man. She really know. She was doggy style on the floor. That's how the game go.